Just a minute. So, Iman, in the previous class, this do we have have you noted this one?
1 minute, sir. I can't see the screen. Wait 1 minute. Yeah.
You can't see the screen?
No, no, it's loading. Like it's coming slowly. 1 minute.
Check it whether you have noted this one or not.
Like that theorem.
Yes.
Yeah, we have noted this. Until this theorem we have written.
Okay. So now the Friedrich Euler was the next scientist who prepared. It was believed that organic compound can only be synthesized in a living organism.
Yeah, it should be only like
But
by
but
nature.
here Friedrich Euler, a German
Hmm.
scientist who accidentally prepared urea from ammonium cyanide. Ammonium cyanide is this one, NH4CN. Okay, and urea is both are having same molecular formula like NH2, C double bond O, and H2.
Yeah.
That is in ammonium cyanide it is NH4CN.
Hmm. Yeah.
There are two nitrogen. Here is also two nitrogen. There are four hydrogen. Here is also four hydrogen. There is one carbon, one carbon there. So this is ammonium cyanide, ammonium cyanide,
Yeah.
cyanide, and this is urea. Urea. This is inorganic. This is inorganic.
Oh yeah, sir.
Inorganic. And this one is organic. Organic compound. Got it? So one is organic. So
Yeah, sir.
he prepared inorganic compounds, urea from inorganic one, and proved the vital force theory that was given by Burgess wrong. Note it down.
Hmm. Yeah, sir. Like I should note this. Yeah, sir, done.
Just so note down the definitions of now organic compound. What is organic compound called in nowadays? So organic compounds are the compounds of hydrogen and carbon, means hydrocarbon, and their derivatives.
Uh, yeah,
They may also contain nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus, and few metals, like sodium.
yeah.
Note it down.
Okay. So after Frederick proved it was wrong, there was like other compounds created.
Yeah, there are so many compounds created. Urea was the first one which was created.
Okay. So it's this kind of creation is called that artificial trees, seeds and stuffs.
Yeah, what are you saying?
So artificial seeds and all is there, right?
Artificial seeds. No, 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 no. I'm not saying. Urea is an organic compound, not seed is a natural substance.
Okay. So the only the definition of the full slide should I write?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Only the full slide, right?
You have tried it.
Okay.
Hi, sir. Hello.
चलिए start करें आगे.
Yes.
Now today we shall be studying the functional group. Okay, done. Done. Riyad and Iman turn on the camera.
Now 1 minute, I'll turn on. Like 1 minute, I'm writing.
When you're done, please let me know. Riyaz, why you
Sure,
join?
done.
Riyaz, why you join late?
Sir, I didn't know I was having Mr. class. I didn't saw the message.
Okay. Okay, so let's start. Let's move towards the functional group. What is functional group? Functional group is it can be an atom or a group of atom attached to an hydrocarbon chain. So when an atom like CH3, CH3, this is an ethane. I can rewrite it like this way. Then if I remove the hydrogen from it and if I add any element to it, any any OH group, any COH group, Okay. Then this hydrocarbon will start showing the property according to these group of atoms that are attached other than hydrogen. Like for example, chlorine, bromine, iodine, or if I'm adding OH group, if I'm adding COOH group, anything we are adding here. So it will start showing the property of that group. So what is functional group? Functional group is then an atom or a group of
Yeah.
atom
Hmm.
attached to hydrocarbon chain that determine the
Hmm.
physical and chemical properties of that hydrocarbon.
Yeah.
Okay, we call it functional group. So note it down
Yeah,
that
sir.
again.
Yeah.
Functional group. Are you writing? Done? Done, everyone noted?
Yes, sir.
So what is functional group? An atom or a group of atom attached to an hydrocarbon chain that determines the physical and the chemical properties of that hydrocarbon is called functional group. Iman, you noted this one? Iman, Iman, are you there? Iman, you noted this one?
One minute, sir, 1 minute. I'm writing. I'm having some network issue.
When you're done, please let me know. Done?
In 1 minute, sir, still writing. Done, sir.
Done? Okay. So I'm saying here that an atom or a group of atom attached to an hydrocarbon chain that determine the physical and the chemical properties of that hydrocarbon. We
Yeah.
call it functional group. What we called it?
Functional group.
Functional group. Okay. I'm just going to give you this is CS3, then you have CS2, then you have CS2. Okay, and this is OH is being added to this one. Got it? So this is
Yeah,
the
sir.
functional group of alcohol. Alcohol. So I'm just writing the name and the functional group here. Okay, and their suffix. Like for example, we have
Yeah.
COOH. Okay, and in
Yeah.
its structural form, it will be represented like this. And its name is carboxylic acid. Name
Mm-hmm.
is carboxylic acid.
Yeah.
And its name will be when we are writing the name of this compound. There is a word name suffix. Suffix means that is being used at the last of the name. Suffix for this one is oic acid. Oic acid, like you know carbox, like you know ethanoic acid, ethanoic acid. So suffix for this one is oic acid. Where does the eth and ane come? We will discuss this later. Okay, got it? Got it? So this is the carboxylic acid. The next one is aldehyde. Aldehyde is CHO and it is present at the corner and its suffix is al. Next one is CHO can be written like this way. CHO can be written.
Yeah, sir.
It is CHO, it can be written as C double bond OH. Then we have ketone. Ketone is C double bond O. That is called
Mm-hmm.
ketone. Okay. So
Yeah.
suffix for this one you can write CO and this is C double bond O and this is ketone. For ketone we have suffix like this way. So what is suffix? We're going to discuss it. Okay. Uh, before that, let me discuss that what is root word and what is alkane, alkene, and alkyne. Okay, got it? So when we are having a carbon chain, got it? Like this is a 3 carbon chain, 2 carbon chain. So we use a word for it that is
Yeah.
butte for the 4 carbon, meth for the 1 carbon, eth for the 3 carbon. Like for example, if I'm having this CH3, then CH3. So these are the 2 carbon. The name for this one will be ethane. And where does the word ane comes? We're going to discuss. Okay. So write down first, after the functional group, write down this, uh,
Yeah.
the root for this one. Number of carbon, meth, eth, prop, bute, pent, hex,
Yeah.
hep, not it down.
Mm.
So what is the sixth one?
So should I write all 8?
Yes,
Okay.
you have to write all 8.
So what is the sixth one?
Sixth one is hex. Fifth one is pent. You done this one?
So what is the last one?
Non. NON. Only 8 tak काफी है. Done?
Yes, you're done.
Now we shall be going to study this saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon, then we'll come back to this one, okay?
Yeah, sir.
So what is saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon? First, let me explain you. Sometimes the carbon make double bond, sometimes carbon make triple bond. You have seen that carbon there, the carbon atoms, okay?
Yeah.
If I'm just going to, what is saturated hydrocarbon? So saturated means there is single bond between carbon atoms. Okay, we called it saturated hydrocarbon. Means carbon has utilized its full combining capacity. Like every carbon is bonded with single bond. Every carbon atom is bonded with single bond
Single
between
bond.
carbon atoms. If it is double bond between carbon and oxygen and carbon and other element, it will be still considered to be a saturated. So saturated means the bond between carbon atom is single bond. And when it is having double bond
Yeah.
or triple bond between any two carbon atoms, then it will be considered as unsaturated. This is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Got it? This is unsaturated hydrocarbon. So unsaturated hydrocarbon means the compounds of hydrocarbon which is having either double bond between any two carbon atom or triple bond between any two carbon atom. So note it down fast. What is saturated hydrocarbon? Riaz, why were you absent in the previous class?
Sir, I was having exams. So I was preparing for it.
What if you are having exam? Noted? Yes or no? Noted?
No, sir, wait.
Iman, you noted?
So writing. So done.
Done, sir.
Generally, alkane comes under this category. We'll learn what is alkane. We'll learn alkane, alkane. Okay. So, example for example, saturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons that is having CN. We will discuss it, which is having single bond between carbon-carbon atoms. Okay. And if it is having double bond or triple bond, then it is considered to be as unsaturated hydrocarbon. Note it down.
Yeah.
Compounds of hydrocarbon in which each
So I
carbon
should.
has not utilized its full combining capacity.
Done, sir.
So you've done this one, Iman?
No, sir. Writing.
Noted.
So you wrote a triple bond between, right? And you marked as double bond. So you're muted.
If I'm saying that if it is having triple bond or double bond, then it
Hmm.
is unsaturated. If it is single bond between carbon-carbon atom, then it is
It will not
and
saturated.
alkene and alkyne comes under this category. We're going to discuss what is alkene and what is alkyne.
Okay. Okay. 1 minute. I'll write it. So done.
Anyone understand here? Done? Next.
Yeah, sir.
Let's move further. What is alkane now? Alkane. Alkanes are the hydrocarbons which can be of a straight chain or branch. Like for example, okay, which is having carbon-carbon single bond. They are called alkanes. Like for example, here if I'm having this carbon chain, okay, this is CH3, this is CH2, this is CH2, this is CH3. Okay. Now, if you write the formula for this one, it will be C4, 4 carbon है. And how many hydrogens are there? 3 here, 3 here, 6, and 4, 10. C4H10. Got it? Means if you double this 4 and then add 2,
Yeah.
means double this 4, 4 into 2 plus 2. It is number of hydrogens is 10. Got it?
Yeah, sir.
If I place this carbon like this in a branch like this, now this is 4 carbon in the branch. And if I am giving the hydrogen to them, this carbon has made only single bond, so 3 hydrogen will be there. This carbon has also made 3 a single bond, so 3 hydrogen will be given to this one. This is also, this will be 3. This has made 3 bonds, so 1 hydrogen will be given to it. Still it is C4H10. Got it? So the general formula for alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Got it? But the same formula in the ring, if it is alkane in the ring, like for example, if I'm having 4 carbon like this is still a chain. If it is, this is still a chain, not a ring, because there is no bond here. So this carbon will make 3 bonds like this way. This carbon will also make 3 bonds like this way. This carbon will make 2 bonds. It is already making two bonds with the hydrogens. Okay. So still the formula is C4H10. But if they are going to make bond, these 2 carbon are going to make bond. So this hydrogen and this hydrogen will be removed, and then they are will make bond here. Now the formula will be C4H8, and that will be CnH2n. Like for example, if you are going to write the name of 5 or 18 carbon alkane, so 18 carbon will be 18, and double of this one is 36 plus 2 is 38. This will be the formula for the straight chain 18,
Yeah.
straight or branch, straight chain
Or branch.
or branch or branch. But if you are having cyclo, means if you are having ring, 18 chain ring, then it will
Yeah.
be 18H36. The 2 hydrogen will be removed. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Got it? So this is the reason. Are you understood?
Yeah, sir.
What is alkane? Alkanes are the hydrocarbons which is having carbon-carbon single bonds. Note it
Hmm.
down.
Yeah, sir. Done. So in this formula, N will be the number of carbon, right?
And represent the number of carbon. Done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, in CnH2n plus 2, N will be the number of carbon.
Mhm. CnH2 plus 2.
Okay.
चलें आगे.
Yes.
Now what is alkane? These are the saturated hydrocarbon which each carbon atom is bonded with single bond. Okay, CnH2n plus 2. These are the saturated hydrocarbon in which each carbon atom is bonded with single bond. Formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, and the ring is this one. Okay, this sorry. If I'm talking to the alkene, so alkene is the compound of hydrocarbon in which there is a double bond between any two carbon atom. These are called alkene. Okay, so its branch formula will be same as that of cycloalkane. Okay, cycloalkane. You understood? ओए, रियाज और ईमान दोनों ने कैमरा बंद कर रखा है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, understood.
So alkene, noted down the compounds of hydrocarbon in which there is a double bond between carbon atoms. Generally,
Yeah.
alkenes, we
Yes.
consider them alkene.
Yeah.
Okay, and rings. The ring formula for this one, if it is a ring, then it will be CH2 minus 2.
Okay.
Like for example, if you have 5 carbon alkene, the name will be 5. Okay, 5, and hydrogen will be double of this one. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, I'm writing it. Yeah, sir, done.
Done, sir.
Next is alkyne. Alkynes are the number of hydrocarbons, means carbon-carbon bond in which there is a triple bond between any two carbon-carbon atom. So that we use YNE for the alkyne. Okay, note it down this one. General formula for a straight chain is CnH2 and minus 2. That is same for the,
Yeah.
this is same for the alkene ring.
Hmm.
Okay, so you have to keep this in mind.
Yes, sir.
Noted everyone? हो गया?
Yes.
Now, tell me that which of the followings are alkene and alkynes. अच्छा, एक चीज और कि
Yeah.
अभी जैसे मैंने लिखाया था कि आपको वी हैव डन दिस वन रूट वर्ड मैंने लिखाए थे आपको, तो दैट फॉर एग्जांपल पेंट वाज द रूट फॉर द
Hmm.
5 कार्बन, ओके, एंड ब्यूट वर द रूट फॉर द 4 कार्बन। तो अगर ब्यूट एल्केन होगा तो विल यूज ए फॉर दैट वन, यानी अगर C4H डबल ऑफ दिस वन +2 हुआ यानी 10 हुआ तो इसका नाम होगा ब्यूटेन, या C7H डबल ऑफ दिस वन एग्जैक्टली डबल हुआ तो CnH2n हो जाएगा एंड दैट विल बी 14, इसका नाम हो जाएगा हैप्टेन, हैप्टेन, हैप्टेन। ओके, और अगर अगर जैसे सपोज करो C3 डबल ऑफ दिस वन एंड देन -2, C3 का डबल कितना हुआ 6, 6 -2 4, तो ये हो जाएगा प्रोप, प्रोप होता है 3 कार्बन के लिए, और फिर YNE लगेगा, YNE प्रोपाइन, प्रोपाइन। गॉट इट? तो यू हैव टू टेल मी दैट, मैंने नाम लिखना है, बताने के कौन से वाले का नाम क्या है। ओके, राइट द नेम ऑफ दैट कंपाउंड जस्ट। चलिए, राइट द नेम ऑफ दीज कंपाउंड्स, इनके नाम लिखिए, एंड राइट दैम विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर एल्कीन, एल्कीन एंड एल्काइंस, और उनके नाम भी लिखिए।
Oh, yeah. Sir, how to find whether it is alkene, alkyne, or alkyne?
सिंपली क्या करना है कि यू हैव टू चेक इट दैट इफ द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन्स, whatever the number of carbons are there, if it is exactly double then it is alkene, because CnH2n is the formula for alkene,
Yeah.
double,
So
exactly
second
double.
one is alkene.
And yeah, second one
Yes.
is alkene, and it will be pent for the 5 carbon, and since it is alkene it will be E pentene. Okay,
Hmm.
if it is less than CnH2n -2, less than double, then it is triple bond, YNE,
Yeah.
E, ENE, and if it is greater than CnH2n +2 greater than double, then it is ANE alkane. So
Okay.
write down the names.
So done.
Okay, done everyone? Iman, you also?
Yeah, yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Now, what is now? Okay, tell me first. Let me check. Yes, you Riyaz, you done?
No, sir.
Noted. Yes, what is the name of the first one? Iman?
1 minute. For alkyne, sir.
No, I'm not asking what is the name.
Sir, beauty.
Butane.
Oh yeah,
Butane.
butane, butane.
It's greater than double one, double na? This one?
Yeah.
This one?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Butane, butane.
This one.
Third one,
Third one.
The third one is
pentene, pentane.
No,
Is this? No,
pentane,
it is
pentine,
pentene.
not pentene. It is
pentine.
double of 5 is 10. It is less than 10, it will be pentine.
Yes, sir.
This one?
Heptene.
Haptene. Very good. This one?
And so
Uh,
this one,
propene,
sir, propene.
Propene. This one?
uh, nine,
Uh,
Non-ane.
non-in.
nonane,
Sir, octene,
okine, okine,
Hmm?
octene.
Alkene. So octene. Octene. Yes, octene.
Yes, sir.
This one?
Sir, this one,
octane, octane. No, no, captain,
sir, heptane, heptane,
Haptane. Haptane.
heptane.
No? Yeah, haptine. Sorry, haptene. It is correct. Yeah. Double of greater than double. This one?
Yes, sir. And this one, uh, butane.
Butane.
butane, butane.
No. Tell me what is it?
So it is butane, right?
But, butine.
Butine. It is butine.
Oh, okay.
Yes, sir.
It is butine. This one?
And this one is heptine.
Captain, yeah.
Haptine. Okay. Right. Homologous series. What is homologous series? The compounds of hydrocarbons having a difference between, I mean that if any two hydrocarbons having difference between CH2 group of CH2 group, it is considered to be as haptene. Sorry, homolog. They are considered to be as homolog. The two homolog must have the same functional group. Okay, note it down. Homolog. Homologous series. This is very important. Okay.
Done, sir.
This one, what is homolog? Done.
Yes, sir.
Now, if I'm saying here that two homologs have similar chemical properties and have almost same physical properties, note it down. Iman, have you noted, better?
Sir, I didn't write it.
You didn't write
No,
it?
no, last line was. Yeah.
Note it down just a minute. Homolog is very important.
Oh, okay.
In the next class, I'm going to teach you that one in detail.
Okay, sir.
Homologous series, noted down the topic for the next class that
Okay.
I will ask you, both of you, that what is the next topic. I will teach you the functional group. Okay. Write down functional group IUPAC. And second, note it down that I will teach you the homologous series and isomers.
Okay.
What is the topic for the next class? Let me tell you.
Homologous series and isomers, right?
Functional group, homologous series, functional group IUPAC. And
Yeah.
this one is, next one is isomers, isomerism. And saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon we have done, but it's still the test
Yeah.
of chemical properties are still remaining. We'll discuss it later. Okay. So have you noted this one, Iman? You were saying that you were not.
No, I was writing homologous series. Yeah. 1 minute, I'll write it. Yeah, sir.
Done.
Yeah.
So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, sir. Thanks.
एक लाइन रहेगी
Yes,
नहीं,
sir.
एक
Thank
मिनट
you.
एक मिनट रियाज हो रही है प्लीज, ये वाली लाइन होगी. The
Yes, sir.
two homolog must have same chemical properties and same physical, almost same physical properties. क्योंकि फंक्शनल ग्रुप सेम होता है तो सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप पर सेम केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज और फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. ऑलमोस्ट ऑलमोस्ट मत बोलना फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज के लिए, ऑलमोस्ट.
We should write this also?
Yes, you have to write the 52 lines, these 2 lines.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sir. Done.
That's all for today. We'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for coming.
Yeah, sir.
Bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir. Bye.